Presenting a pre-owned 2010 BMW 328i. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 91,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include sport package, cruise control, moonroof, heated front seats, automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.